So today we have West Kiss Hair, and today I'm just going to be customizing their 5x5 HD lace crimped bob wig. This is 14 inches, and this hair was so thick, like literally little to no shedding. Like the shedding, I think I only got like a strand or two. They sent over some goodies. They sent me over some lashes, a bonnet, adjustable strap. Like they sent me a wig cap. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff. This wig was so thick, so full, nice. This wig was super easy to plug. You know those wigs where it's just really easy to plug? This was one of those wigs, super easy, very beginner friendly for those of you who are new to plucking and customizing wigs. It bleached very well. The knots bleached very well. And the link to the crimping iron that I used will be in the description box. This wig was given very much scalp, super easy to plug, once again very thick. This is a very high quality good wig, and I really suggest you guys order from them if you want a crimp bob wig. If their crimp bob wig 5x5 was like this, then baby, you need to go get you a nice little wig. The quality of this wig, the customer service, everything was great. Shipping was very fast. I think it was like 5 days. Like shipping was very fast. Customer service, quality, everything was great. I would definitely be collaborating with this company again. I just love the quality, the service, everything. This wig was great.